Hello, fourth graders. I bet you guys are full of the chocolate touch. I know I am. I've had enough candy and chocolate to eat for a little while, just a couple days. But I wanted to touch base with you and let you guys know you guys did a fantastic job on those questions. I know it was a pretty fun book and that was a lot of questions, but you guys did a great job. So I wanted to do one more thing with you guys that I thought would be really fun. So let's go over quickly. Let's do a little quick review on uh, what a summary was and what we learned. So we learned that what a summary is giving a short statement of important points, and that means short statement. And then why is it important? It allows you to restate key important information in a short and in order. And the key thing is key. So, and I remember we talked about the five finger method, the five finger and a palm. So it's the who, what, where, when, why, and how. So what we're going to do with this assignment is we are going to continue learning about finding key details in text and summarizing them. So that's our objective. So at the end of this, you guys will be able to write a short summarization of any book that you read. So what I want you guys to do, here's an example, is I got two books here. If everybody looks on the back of their book, the Diary of a Wimpy Kid, The Meltdown. So if you look on the back of every book, you're going to have like a little short summary right there. Super short. It talks about the who, what, where, when, why, how, and everything like that. Just super short. And it talks about what's in this book so that you can, if you're in the library or you're in a bookstore or whatever, you can pick it up and be like, that looks an interesting book. You can read the back of it and you can get a pretty good understanding of what the book's going to be about. And it's got cool pictures and it's got a bunch of other stuff. Like then you know, like, oh, look, there's a bunch more other books about this. So you can read that real quick and find out what the book is going to be all about. So this one, it talks about Greg Heffley shuts down the middle school in his neighborhood and transforms into a wintry battlefield. So it has just a couple sentences about what the book is about and who and what you might be able to read. So, and also it's on pretty much almost every book. So like a Pokemon book, this is like a handbook. This is like an informational book. But it still tells you what you're going to find in this book. So it says you're going to find 700 Pokemon and all that stuff, which is pretty cool. And it's going to talk about the different types of Pokemon and what you're going to be able to find. That's like a Pokemon guidebook. So that is what I want you guys to do. You guys can either use the Chocolate Touch book or you can find any book that you guys want. And I want you guys to write a short summary about that book so that when I read it, I know what is in that book and I can be like, that looks like a pretty good book to buy. So I think I'm going to buy that. Very exciting. So what I want you guys to do is I want you to probably about, 4 to 5, maybe 6 sentences, just a short paragraph. And I want to see the five finger method of the who, what, where, when, why, how in just a short summary so that what I want to see when I read it is know what it's about. So I want to see a short paragraph, a short summary of key details in the text, and I want to see a picture. So I want to be able to look at the picture and read the paragraph and know what the book is all about. So you can either do it in your Google slideshows, or you can go into the Google Docs. I will open it up in both classrooms. So either the Google, I'll make an assignment for the Google Docs and the Google slideshows. So go in there. I want to see a picture and I want to see a summary paragraph of what the book is about. So you guys did a great job. Thank you very much. I hope you're recovering and peace. Thanks, guys. See ya.